Meaning and use. We use it to talk about identity, feelings, places, age, and descriptions. Example: I am a student. Example: she is happy. Example: they are at home. Affirmative form. In the affirmative form, use am with I, is with he, she, and it, and are with you, we, and they. Example: I am in the kitchen. Example: he is a doctor. Example: we are ready. Short forms are common in speaking and informal writing. I am becomes I'm, he is becomes he's, and they are becomes they're. Example: I'm tired. Example: she's my sister. Example: they're in the park. Negative form. To make a negative sentence, put not after the verb to be. The forms are am not, is not, and are not. Example: I am not angry. Example: it is not cold today. Example: they are not late. You can also use short negative forms. Is not becomes isn't, and are not becomes aren't. Example: she isn't at school. Example: we aren't busy. Questions and short answers. To make a question, put am, is, or are before the subject. Use a question mark at the end. Example: are you hungry? Example: is she your teacher? Example: am I early? Short answers use yes or no plus the subject and the verb to be. Do not use short affirmative forms in short answers. Example: yes, I am. Example: no, he isn't. Example: yes, they are. Common uses with age, jobs, and places. Use the verb to be with age in English. Do not use have for age. Example: my brother is 12. Example: I am 20 years old. Use the verb to be to say a job or a place. It helps identify a person or locate something. Example: My mother is a nurse. Example. The keys are on the table. Example. Tom is in the car. Examples. The cat is under the chair. I am at the bus stop. You are very kind. The children are in the garden. This coffee is hot. My shoes are new. He is not my cousin. We aren't in the office today. Is the supermarket open? Are your parents at home? She is 16 years old. The flowers are yellow. I am not ready. The phone is on the sofa. They are my neighbors. Quiz. Choose an option. M. I am in the classroom. Choose an option. Is. She is my best friend. Choose an option. R. They are at the museum. Choose an option. Are not. We are not tired. Choose an option. Isn't. He isn't in the kitchen. Choose an option. Are you ready? Choose an option. Is. Is your bag on the chair? Choose an option. Yes, she is. Choose an option. I am not. No, I am not. Choose an option. Is. My father is a taxi driver. Choose an option. The apples are red. Choose an option. I am 20 years old.